When you click porous or blower zone, you can define regions that act like vents or porous walls. A porous zone resists the flow, useful for screens or vegetation. You can specify it two ways, by porosity percent or by leaf area index, LAI. These are interchangeable. The software converts LAI to porosity with a built-in exponential model. Important, porosity here is an aerodynamic measure, not a literal whole fraction. So 50% porosity does not mean 50% of the air flows through freely. Even at 50%, the zone imposes drag, so the actual velocity and flow rate are lower than 50% of the incoming flow. Typical mappings. LAI 0, 100% porosity, no resistance. LAI 3, 22% porosity, moderate resistance. LAI 7, 3% porosity, very dense. Bottom line, lower porosity or higher LAI, stronger resistance, more wind slowdown inside the zone. Users often ask, what if I want to model a fence with 50% open? You can set it up as a porous zone and enter porosity equals 50% or pick an equivalent LAI. But remember, 50% porosity does not mean 50% of the air flows through freely. Porosity is tied to aerodynamic resistance, not just whole fraction. If you want the fence to match a specific flow rate, define it as a porous zone with 50% porosity and set the zone thickness. Run the simulation once and check the velocity or mass flow through the zone. Tune the porosity or LAI and thickness until the pressure drop or flow matches your target. This gives you realistic flow resistance, not just a simple opening.